Why do 100% of dolphins have unique names? Because they're nature's brainiacs. Dolphins are not just cute faces in the water, they're among the smartest animals on Earth. With a brain-to-body size ratio second only to humans, they can solve problems, use tools, and even recognize themselves in mirrors. They navigate with echolocation, sending out clicks and listening to the echoes to see underwater. And get this, they sleep with half their brain awake to stay alert. Dolphins live in social groups called pods, sometimes numbering in the thousands. They communicate with clicks, whistles, and body language, and each dolphin has a unique whistle, just like our names. They're also super speedy, swimming up to 20 miles per hour, and have incredibly smooth skin that regenerates every 2 hours. So next time you see a dolphin, remember you're looking at one of the ocean's true geniuses.